Hey everyone, my name is Ari Aziz from Small World Marketing, and in these videos, I'm going to be going over the GoHighLevel software. Now, GoHighLevel is basically a CRM, which is a customer relationship management tool, and it's a great asset for all sorts of industries, whether you're a contractor, medical professional, or anything in between. Essentially, within this app, you are able to keep track of your leads. You're able to use their built-in phone system, which allows you to do all sorts of features like call recording, call transcriptions, and even setting up voice AI receptionists. You can also send text messages from your computer or from the app and the phone and organize all the different types of leads and from the various stages within your pipeline and view them in a visual way. Now, in these videos, I'm going to be focused not so much on the technical things, but more on giving you a very reasonable overview of how you can start using this today so that ideally you can be a pro just enough to be able to get through it on a daily basis. And likewise, you can be able to share this video with your staff members so that they can all understand what is going on once they log in for the very first time.